Number 13 from the Order of Operations worksheet. Again, I have two sets of parentheses. The first parenthesis, there's not really anything to do. So I jump to the second set of parentheses and I look through my choices. I have addition, division, multiplication, and subtraction. According to order of operations, you're supposed to do your multiplication and division as you see them. That will focus my attention on these three terms. I'm going to rewrite the first one. Say 1/3 quantity squared minus, and I go to my second set of parentheses, and I'm going to say 2/3 plus 1/5. In order to do multiplication and division, you want improper fractions. So this would be divided by 2/1. But divided by 2/1 is going to need to be reciprocated. And so I'm going to say times 1/2, as that's the reciprocal of 2. Times 5/6 minus 3/4. Again, my focus is on these three fractions right in the middle. Because it's multiplication, it's the opportunity to cancel or reduce. It's any number on the top versus any number on the bottom. For this particular set of numbers, I immediately notice that the 5s can be canceled. So I'm going to cancel the 5s out. This 5 becomes a 1, this 5 becomes a 1. And I simplify what I had. Like I did in a previous problem, this set of parentheses has no bearing on this set of parentheses, so it would be okay to go ahead and square this if you wanted. And so that's what I'm going to do. 1/3 times 1/3 would be 1/9. Make sure that you multiply top with top, bottom with bottom. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. As I move to the second set of parentheses, I can say 2/3 plus, and now I have this multiplication here. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 6 is 12. And don't forget the last fraction, minus 3/4. I look at these three fractions and I recognize in order to add or subtract fractions, you must have a common denominator. Common among 3, 2, and 4 will be 12. So I'm going to transform all those with a denominator of 12. I can say 1/9 minus, and all these denominators have to have a 12 down there. So 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times 2 transforms that numerator into an 8. Plus, well, this was already 12, so that numerator will not change, so I'll call that 1. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times -3 is -9. Next step is to add those numerators and see where that takes me. This will be 1/9 minus 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So this would be 0/12, which is equivalent to 0. And so you would have 1/9, take away 0. Final answer is 1/9. Push up, and you can see that there, 1/9.